Now, next thing to cut up is a couple of cloves of garlic. If you don't do this, if you don't cook a whole lot, that's what clove garlic looks like. It comes wrapped in a little piece of paper. Simplest way to do this is just whack it with the knife, flat side knife, and that knocks the paper loose. It gives us a couple of chunks of meat back in there. The next thing you're going to want to do is take your knife blade, set it the flat side down on it, and smack it with your hand. Now, I don't think you're dumb enough to hit the sharp part of the blade with your hand, but the legal department, being legal, they do think you're dumb enough. So just tell you this, don't hit the sharp part with your hand. So we're just going to smack it once like that. That smashes it down, and then we're going to take a couple of cuts, and we've minced up our garlic. And let's do this other one here. Oh crap. Oh wow, you know, one other thing, if you don't want to mess with cutting up garlic, you can always just buy it in a jar. It works just as good. So just you might want to do that.